Hi viewers, welcome back to Knowledge Grasper History channel KGH. Hope you all are doing well. So let us start this video with something which we already know. So we know our planet Earth, which is 70% water and 30% land area, and this land area is divided into 7 continents, and in which Asia is the largest continent. And one of the country in Asia is India. And the state emblem of India, Satyameva Jayate. And one of the state of India is Telangana. But I already know this. Why are you telling me this? Well, you will figure out this soon in this video. And this is emblem of Telangana, which is adopted on June 2nd, 2014 and designed by Laxman Ale. And it has the state emblem of India in Kakatiya Kala Toranam and Charminar, which is built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, which is in a circular seal in which Government of Telangana is written in English and Telangana Prabhutvam is written in Telugu and Telangana Sarkar is written in Urdu. So some of you, my viewers, has already figured out what we are going to discuss today. You heard me the word saying Kakatiya Kala Toranam. Yes, we are going to discuss about Kakatiya Empire. For basic information on Kakatiyas, they worshipped Kakati Devi. They were held posts like Rattadi, which is like village heads, and they eventually gained control over Anmakonda, today's Hanumakonda in Telangana. Eventually they emerged as an independent kingdom with fall of western Chalukyas in rule of Rudradeva. At the beginning, Kakatiya kingdom was established in coastal region of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region and Rayalaseema region, and they expanded their empire mostly as much as to present days Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, eastern part of Karnataka and southern part of Odisha. Their official court language is Telugu, and few inscriptions tell them as Andhra Rajas. The time in which Kakatiyas ruled was the time when the first books in Telugu were written, like Srimadandra Mahabharatam, which was first poetic work in Telugu, which was written by Kavitrayam, the Tritiny of poets, Nannaya, Tikkanna and Errapragada between 1000 CE to 1400 CE. There were also other books written like Prataparudra Yashobhushanam written by Vidyanta. Now let's see some Kakatiya emperors. Few early emperors of Kakatiya Empire are Venna, Gunda 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next emperor of Kakatiya dynasty is Betaraja I. He ruled from 1000 CE to 1052 CE. He also established his capital at Koravi. Next emperor of Kakatiya dynasty is Ploraraja I. He ruled from 1052 CE to 1076 CE. He got hereditary rights at Anmakonda as feudatory of western Chalukyas. He also built Kesari Tataka. Next emperor of Kakatiya dynasty is Betaraja II. He ruled from 1076 CE to 1108 CE as feudatory of western Chalukyas. Next is Durjaya. He ruled from 1108 CE to 1116 CE. There is no much information about Durjaya. Next emperor of Kakatiya dynasty is Prola II. He ruled from 1116 CE to 1157 CE. He ruled as feudatory of Western Chalukyas. He unfortunately died in invasion on Velanti Choda kingdom and was killed by the chief of that area, Gonka II. But there is also a good news. On 1149 CE, a Sanigiram inscription of Prola II is the last known record of Kakatiyas as subordinates. And the wife of Prola II Kakatiya, Muppamba, built Muppirinathaswamy temple during 1116 CE to 1157 CE. Its architectural beauty is amazing with depicts of scenes of Ramayanam. Large parts of it is still remaining with deity of temple, Shivalingam, and it may regain its glory in future. Next emperor of Kakatiya dynasty is Rudradeva. In his rule, Kakatiyas declared their sovereignty. So let's know about him in our next video. So here is a fun question for you all. What is meaning of sovereignty? If you know the answer, please comment below. And that's it for this video. If you like the video, please click the like button. And if you want to share this valuable knowledge with everyone, please share this channel. And if you want more interesting videos like this, please subscribe my channel. And please comment on the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.